Hello guys, this is Router FX. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to know anything about Forex, send me a DM and also comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to use the relative strength index indicator. As a beginner trader, you have to get a strategy that works for you, that will help you to flip your account from a smaller account to a big account. So when I started trading, I was suffering looking for indicators that will work for me until I got to know how to use the relative strength index indicator properly, and that's what helped me flip my account as a beginner trader until later I learned how to trade as a professional trader. So if you are a new trader and you want to know how to use this particular indicator, then please watch this video from the beginning to an end, and you after that you have a strategy. So let's dive into that. So the relative strength index, which is also known as the RSI, is an indicator that is used to determine an overbought or oversold market. So if you open your chart and you have the RSI indicator on it, it will help you to know whether the market has been overbought or whether the market has been oversold. And if the market is overbought, then you know that you are not going to buy further. You will rather be looking out for opportunity for a sell. And if the market has been oversold, then you look for opportunity for a sell, for a buy order. And so the indicator will help you to know whether the market has been oversold or overbought. So this is the indicator, this is the RSI, or the relative strength indicator, and as I told you, it's used to determine whether the market has been oversold or overbought. So when you look at it perfectly, you realize that there are some numbers over here, and these numbers are what we use to determine whether the market has been overbought or the market has been oversold. So when you check it, we have from 0, 15, 25, 30, 50, 70, 75, and then 100. Okay, so if you want to know whether the market has been overbought, then you have to check the level of the RSI. Okay, so this line that is moving in between the in between these levels is what we call the RSI, or the relative strength index. So if you open your chart and you realize that your relative strength index is above 70%, then that is an indication that the market is overbought. So as it's approaching 100%, the more strong it becomes for the market to start selling. So once the market hits 70 going, and especially when it hits 75, then that means that the market has been strongly overbought. Probably the buyers were very strong and then they overbought the market. And when it happens like that, there is high probability for the market to reverse or for the market to start selling. So you open your chart and you realize that the market, or the RSI, is above 75% or is at 75%. That is an indication that you don't look for a buy signal anymore. You have to wait and look for a sell signal on the chart. So when you look at historically, when you look at the RSI very well, you realize that previously when the RSI approaches 75 and even it went beyond 75, all of a sudden it started moving to the downside. So the market started selling until it hit a particular level before it gained strength again. So if you want to know whether the market is overbought, then check the RSI. If the RSI is above 75%, especially as it approaches 100%, then that tells you that the market has been overbought, and so there is high probability for the market to reverse or to start selling. So let's use this historical data over here. As we can see, you can see that previous, anytime the market goes beyond 75%, the market reverses strongly to the downside, okay, or anytime the market approaches 70 or 75%, the market reverses to the downside. So if you open your chart and you notice that the RSI is above 70 or 75% or is beyond 75%, then there is high probability for the market to sell. And so once the RSI is above or is beyond the 75%, you don't look for a buy opportunities anymore. You wait and check for a signal for a sell entry, then you look for opportunity to sell. And so that is it for the buy side. If you want to know whether the market has been oversold, check the level. If the level or if the RSI is below 30%, so that one too, as it approaches 15, there is high probability for the market to start buying. So once the market is below 30% and at is approaching 15%, then that means that the market has been oversold. And if the market has been oversold, then there is high probability for the market to reverse and start buying to the upside. Okay, if the market is moving around the 50%, that means that the market there is no one in charge of the market, no one is taking control of the market. So there is equal number of buyers and sellers on the market at that particular time. And so that one, you have to wait until you see a clear direction of the market. Either the market is going to move to the downside until it goes below the 30%, or it push up to the upside until it goes beyond 75%, then you look for opportunity to sell. If it goes beyond below 30%, that is an oversold market, and the market will begin to buy. So when you check it closely, you could see that anytime the market goes below the 30%, especially at the 15%, the market starts buying, and it buys strongly to the upside. Okay, so that is how we use the RSI to make our decision. So if you are a new trader and you want to know how to use the you want to be profitable, then the RSI is the best indicator you can use to make your decision. And so once you open the chart, check the level of the RSI. If it's beyond 75, then it means that the market has been overbought, and you will look for opportunity for a sell market. If the market is below 30%, then the market has been oversold, and there is high probability of the market to start buying, and so you will have to look for opportunity to buy the market. So this strategy has helped me a lot. When I started trading, I used this strategy to flip my account, to multiply my account. I remember a day where I flipped my account from $10 to $1,000. That is in 2 days. I was able to use the RSI indicator to flip my account. So once you know how to use it properly, and you combine price action, you understand your candlestick, you understand your market, the RSI will help you a lot as a beginner trader. So before I became a professional trader, I started from somewhere. I started using indicators. I tested one indicator from one indicator to the other, and the RSI was one of the best indicator that helped me to make a lot of money on the forex market. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and share, so that other beginner traders will also take advantage of this video. If you are interested in joining my mentorship group, which is free of charge, we don't take anything, just send me a DM, or just send me a DM, and then I'll respond to you, and I'll add you to my trading community. So if you need a strategy, maybe you are a new trader, you need a strategy that will help you, then send me a DM, or you can also learn how to use the RSI, and it will help you a lot. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you